Welcome back to the channel. This week we have a quick little video for you guys, but it's very exciting. We were recently a vendor at Rhode Island Comic Con. This was Justin's very first time at a convention.
I have no idea what I'm gonna see here.
I guess I would call myself a seasoned vet when it comes to conventions. On the side, I am a avid cosplayer and prop maker, so I frequent Comic Cons. But when we went and we had a great time, we met a lot of awesome people, a lot of great costumes. But leading up to this event, we started making a bunch of different stuff to have at our table. One in particular was a Mario board.
Mamma mia!
I just want to show you the quick process if you guys want to check it out. And at the end of this video, something really cool happened with this board. So stay tuned. So I want to take the time to thank everybody for watching us build this. Special thanks to Charles Martinet, the voice of Mario, for signing this at Comic-Con. We're super excited to have this in our showroom. And if you want anything custom like this, hit us up at libertylumberproducts.com. We'll catch you in the next one.